my evolution of single dose storage. So originally made this one with 25, I think 25 mil diameter tubes and corks. You can fit up to around 18 grams of medium roast, roughly. The problem with these is you can't stand it, one thing. Another thing is the cork is made with some kind of glue, so it has some smell. It's not super toxic, but it's definitely affecting, like if you want to smell the coffee, you'll smell the cork, you're not going to smell the coffee. Another one is when the coffee degasses and CO2 releases, the cork doesn't pop, it just slightly comes off, so there is no seal and the air comes in. I would say it happens after like maybe on a second day. So if you close the cork on the second day, it's going to be loose. So all the air is going to be inside. It's alright for the little experiment, I guess. So it was a good run. And this one taller, so this is first version, the stand. Second version, a little bit taller. Another mistake I made, if you look how they're aligned, you see it's like super wobbly, because you cannot properly drill with any of these bits. The only way you can cut a clean hole is to use a hole saw. So you need to get a hole saw to actually do the proper drilling. Don't bother with these bits, it will just crack the wood and it's a mess. So now this goes into retirement. I just got these Lyn tubes made from Tritan or Tritan, some new plastic. On the feel, it's like very nice solid feel, lightweight. It's hard-wearing plastic, harder than glass. At least the description says so. It has built-in valve, one-way valve. To unscrew, you just twist and twist, basically just pressure seal. It has O-ring. The only maintenance is you just add a little bit of silicone grease once in a while and wipe off the excess on the ring. That's it. So it's easy to take it off and put it on. So this one is 11 grams and this one 18 grams. I would say you can still put, there's still room, so you can probably fit 22 plus grams of medium roast. This is 3.5 on my machine, medium basically. Super solid feel, like quality. You can, you know, once you feel it, it's like not cheap plastic. It feels like a nice, well-built storage container. Made this base. Again, for the base you need to use a hole saw. And again, the difference with the old one, test tube 25 mil, the new tube is 32 mil diameter. So basically and my spray bottle goes in here. So this is a new setup. So as you can see, they're much taller. Look, yeah, if you would build, I would say just buy the Lyn's tubes. They are very nice. Don't bother with test tubes. Yeah, it's nothing compared to proper storage containers. And for the base, it's kind of a lot of work. So they were out of bases, so I had to make my own. But now I think they're back in stock. Let's set up. So it's convenient to take your beans, spray it, shake it. All the workflow is pretty straightforward.